Hello everyone, hope all of you doing well today. So me, YUVETHA and my other team members, DPI1A, Jasmine, REJISHA are going to discuss about market equilibrium under based microeconomics subject. What would happen to the equilibrium price and quantity in the market for aircraft tickets to Sabah and Sarawak if supply increased faster than the increase in demand? The definition of demand is the quantity of a good that consumers are willing and able to purchase at various prices during a given period of time. The relationship between price and quantity demand is also called the demand curve.
The definition of supply is the total amount of a specific good or service that is available to consumers. Supply can relate to the amount available at a specific price or the amount available across a range of prices if displayed on a graph.
The definition of market equilibrium is a state that there is no tendency for price or quantity to change. Moreover, a market is in equilibrium when the market demand curve and the market supply curve intersect. In this situation, there are three methods to find market equilibrium, which is mathematical equation method, table method, and graphical method.
Situation 1. In the intensity of Hari Raya Idul Fitri, there are a lot of people need to return to their old hometown, causing the sales of flight tickets to increase because of the mind-boggling figures, particularly for the Sarawakian and Sabahan. The supply for flight tickets are restricted along these lines, expanding the cost. Supply and demand are correlated with one another.
Difference of the airlines. REJISHA. REJISHA is a main travel and financial platform company in Asia Pacific, giving air transport, travel, and lifestyle products as well financial services. Malaysia Airlines. Malaysia Airlines is the public transporter of Malaysia, offering the most ideal way to travel to, from, and around Malaysia. Malaysia Airlines carries up 40,000 guests every day on memorable journeys inspired by Malaysia's diverse richness. Malindo Air. Malindo Air, an airline situated in Malaysia, is a joint venture by National Aerospace and Defence Industries, a Malaysian company, and Lion Air, an Indonesian airline. Malindo is a mix of the names of the two nations, which is Malaysia and Indonesia.
This shows the flight of tickets price. Each airlines offer different price for each destination. It also shows the difference of ticket prices between 13 April and 2nd May.
Concept. The graph shows the effect on market equilibrium when the increase in supply is faster than the increase in demand. DO and SO are the original supply and demand curves. Price is P0 and quantity is Q0. The equilibrium point is E0. A smaller increase in demand than an increase in supply is indicated by a shift in the demand curve from DO to D1. That is less than the rightward shift in the supply curve from SO to S1. The equilibrium point moves from point EO to point E1. The result is a slight drop in price from PO to P1 and a significant increase in volume from Q0 to Q1.
In conclusion, an increase in demand that is less than an increase in the supply will result in a small decrease in the equilibrium price and a large increase in the equilibrium volume. Flight costs will continue to rise where rates may not be enough to meet demand. As we know, Malaysia is a country of mixed economic system. Therefore, in order to protect the rights of consumer as well as to support trade, the government needs to intervene by setting up a high rise or low rise building higher prices below the equilibrium price, preventing producers from further rising prices.
Thank you for watching. See you all on the next video.